Hi everyone, it's Fiona again. I'm just finishing off this little journal that we've been making for the mini-series journal, Making a Journal for Beginners, and I wanted to add a little tassel to hang on the spine. So I just thought I'd show you how I'm going to do that. So for this particular tassel you need some lengths of ribbon or lace, or they can be fabric scraps that you've cut into strips, anything like that, and just lay them all flat like this, but one of them keep loose and lay across underneath them, because what we're going to do is we're going to use this one to tie them all together. So I'm just going to tie a knot. Roughly in the center, so that they're all sort of hanging down evenish. And I'm going to cut the ends off this one because it's a fair bit longer than the rest of them. Just do that. In fact, the blue one's probably a bit too long as well. So we'll just cut them back a little bit so they're kind of more even. Okay, and then what you need is, you can do a double knot if you want to. I might just leave mine how it is because that's fine. So with this knot, I'm going to attach that to a keyring. It's just an ordinary keyring, and I've attached a lobster clasp to the end there, and that's to attach it to the journal. But we're going to put that knot into the ring of your key ring, and then I'll close it up. Okay, so that's that bit. The next thing you're going to need is a little bit of twine. I just want to tighten that up a bit more so that we can actually make this into a little tassel. So I'm going to get some twine, and roughly about the same so it hangs down nicely as well. And a couple of inches down from the top, maybe, yeah, a couple of inches, I'm just going to tie it. Or maybe like a couple of inches or an inch and a half. Just going to tie a knot there so that we've got more of a tassel happening. And when you've done that, the other thing you can do, you don't have to do, is you can attach little charms to the onto the string. So you've got some little charms hanging down as well. Actually, want that to go up a bit further. No, that's okay. I have a little charm here. It's a little butterfly, so I'm just going to thread the cords through. If I can get the end to go probably should put a jump ring in here. I was hoping that it's going to go through. Okay, no, I don't think it is. I was hoping that my twine was going to be thin enough, but it isn't. So I'm just going to get a little jump ring and put it on the end here. My little jewellery bits and pieces stash. So I've got a silver one here. Just to show you, this is just another way that you can decorate your spine. There's so many different ways and things that you can hang. But this is a fairly simple way of doing it. And you can buy the key rings just in most craft stores. So I'm going to thread that through. And then I'm just going to tie another little knot to hold that on there. Okay. That's going to hang down as well. So now that we have that, and when you've actually finished it, if you think it's too long, obviously you can still cut it off. We're just going to go to the spine here, get a little lobster clasp and just wrap it around the top there. So now I've got this cute little dangle that hangs down, and I think I even like it that length. I think it's a nice decoration, looks really sweet. So there you go. I hope that you like that idea, and I'll see you next time. Thanks guys.